Today, we're embarking on a profound journey to explore the deep mysteries of our existence in this vast universe. What's our purpose? Are we truly insignificant in the grand cosmic design? Let's dive into these questions through the lens of three fascinating principles: the Anthropic Principle, the Gaia Hypothesis, and the timeless teachings of the Bhagavad Gita. First, we'll explore the Anthropic Principle, which suggests that the universe is precisely tuned to allow for the existence of life, particularly intelligent life like humans. We'll then delve into the Gaia Hypothesis, which views Earth as a self-regulating, interconnected organism. Lastly, we'll reflect on the Bhagavad Gita, which teaches that we are all part of a single, all-encompassing consciousness. Do you recognize this image? Taken by NASA's Voyager 1, the pale blue dot is a photograph of Earth captured on February 14, 1990, from a distance of 3.7 billion miles from the Sun. Look again at that dot. That's here, that's home, that's us. Every life, every achievement, every conflict, everyone we hold dear, and every celebration in human history has occurred on this small, delicate sphere. It is our home, yet, in the grand scheme of the cosmos, it is astonishingly insignificant. Or is it? Today we'll explore these three principles to understand our place in the universe and whether we are as insignificant as we might seem. Ready to embark on this enlightening journey? Let's get started. Let's dive into the Anthropic Principle, a fascinating idea that suggests the universe is precisely tuned for the existence of life, particularly intelligent life like humans. Imagine you're baking a cake. The right ingredients, temperature, and time are crucial. Similarly, the universe's recipe, its laws and constants, is perfectly set to allow for life. If any of these were slightly different, life as we know it might not exist. This principle implies that our presence is significant because it reveals a universe capable of producing conscious beings. Through us, the universe becomes aware of itself. We are not just tiny specks, we are a vital part of its grand design. Next, let's explore the Gaia Hypothesis, proposed by scientist James Lovelock. Imagine Earth as a huge living organism where all its components, living and non-living, interact to maintain balance. All these elements work together in a complex, self-regulating system. When climate gets too hot or too cold, certain processes kick in to bring the temperature back to a livable range. When there's too much carbon dioxide in the air, plants and oceans absorb some of it to keep the balance. So in layman's terms, the Gaia Hypothesis tells us that Earth is like one big interconnected organism where everything we do matters. And thus, our actions impact the balance of this well-tuned system. Lastly, let's delve into the teachings of the Bhagavad Gita, an ancient Indian scripture. It teaches that everything in the universe, including us, is part of a single, all-encompassing consciousness called Brahman. Imagine the universe as a giant ocean, and each of us as individual waves. While each wave is unique, it's still part of the larger ocean. Similarly, we are distinct individuals, but also part of this greater universal consciousness. This realization can transform how we see ourselves and our relationships, fostering a deeper sense of connection, purpose, and compassion. As we wrap up, let's reflect on the insights we've uncovered. From the precise tuning of the Anthropic Principle and the interconnected Gaia Hypothesis to the unity of consciousness in the Bhagavad Gita, all these concepts converge to reveal the oneness of all existence. We are not mere observers, but active participants in the universe's ongoing story. Through our awareness, thoughts, and actions, the universe observes itself and continues to unfold. Embrace this oneness and let it inspire a deeper sense of connection, purpose, and responsibility. Together, we are the universe, aware and alive, contributing to its grand narrative. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey. Stay curious, stay connected, and keep exploring the wonders of our shared existence.